Craving a burst of authentic Indonesian flavor? Look no further. Join me in the kitchen as we create a spicy and satisfying dish that will tantalize your taste buds. Get ready to elevate your culinary game with today's recipe for spicy bean paste tempeh or taocoh. Let's cook! Hi everyone, I'm Monica. I'm so excited to share this delicious Indonesian recipe with you. This dish is packed with flavor and super easy to make. Let's get started. We'll be using broad beans, or you can also use French beans. 1 big tomato, some onions, some ginger, and hot chilies. A popular meat substitute, tempeh, cut all into your desired patterns. Moderate amount of portobello mushrooms or any other mushrooms. Here are all ready-to-use ingredients I've prepared for saving your time. Sliced green broad beans. You are free to cut them into your desired patterns. In tempeh, I prefer to cut it similar patterns with the beans. I'd like to go for big cuts for portobellos. 1 big red tomato sliced, and chopped onions, some ginger, and not to forget some fiery chilies. Next ingredients are accessible everywhere. They are cooking oil, soybean paste or taocoh, which is originated from dialect Chinese Taocoh, some salt to taste, and a little coconut sugar. And we also need some water. All the specific measurements are in the description box below. First, we'll heat up our pan over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of oil. My wooden spatula is quite flat, so I need 2 spoons of oil. Let's start by sautéing the ginger until bright shiny. Then, add the onions and cook until golden brown and fragrant. Next up is the star of our flavor base, the bean paste. Stir it quickly to release its aromatic goodness. Let's add some juice with the sliced tomatoes. Stir-fry everything together until you can smell the enticing aroma. Let's add some heat with the hot chilies. Be prepared to have some stimulus on your nose. It's time to introduce your main players, the tempeh and broad beans. Let's give them a good stir fry until the beans turn a vibrant green. Add the portobello mushrooms for an extra layer of flavor. Now, let's season with a pinch of salt and a touch of coconut sugar to balance out the spice. Combine all ingredients for a good mix. To help the cooking process, we'll add a splash of water. Make sure all ingredients are coated with the gravy and cover the pan. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes to allow the flavors to melt together. My whole kitchen is filled with bean paste and chili aroma. Let's taste the gravy and adjust the season as needed. Time to switch off the heat. I need a little more salt. Now it's perfect. Sorry, my nose was shuffled.
Very spicy.
It's done. Beautiful Taocoh. I love the crispy texture of the beans in this dish, and the tempeh is so tender and flavorful. For an even healthier option, I skipped frying the tempeh altogether, and it still turned out amazing. If you prefer softer beans, just let them cook for a couple of more minutes. The mushrooms add a wonderful umami flavor to this dish. It's a perfect combination of textures and tastes. Here it is, a delicious and satisfying spicy tempeh taoco. This dish is fantastic on its own, but it's also a great accompaniment to rice or with some curry, and even with a traditional Indonesian Lontong sayur. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deliciousness. And if you try this recipe, be sure to tag me on social media. I'd love to see your creations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!